Welcome back.
So welcome back. So today we're going to make some mulberry jam. We had some leftover mulberries that we needed to eat up, so we're just going to make a jam with it. So it's a simple recipe. All you need is some mulberries, lemon, some sugar, and some Certo. So basically you're just going to combine that all in a saucepan and heat it up and form a jam. So before we get started, here's a little joke for you. Why did the mulberries' parents cry? Because they were in a jam. Oh, terrible. All right. So without further ado, let's get cooking. All right, so to start, what we're going to do is we're going to take about 4 cups of mulberries and add them to a saucepan. Then we're going to turn on the hot plate to a medium heat and cook these mulberries to extract the juices. Save them, I'll save them. We're going to keep stirring these mulberries. That way they don't burn, obviously. As we stir these mulberries, what I like to do is push the mulberries down just to pop the berries and speed up the process a little bit.
And take the sugar and the lemon out. That's it.
Then we're going to add 2 cups of sugar and stir that in. And then add the zest of a single lemon. Make sure you only add the yellow part of the peel and not the white part, as that part is very tart and not ideal for flavor. Once you have extracted the lemon zest, we're going to extract the lemon juice from the lemon. Make sure to avoid adding the seeds. In this case, we're just going to use a little strainer to prevent the seeds from falling in. Almost forgot, we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract to the mixture as well.
That's a mama big guess.
Then we're going to continue to boil this down for about 5 minutes to get rid of that excess liquid.
And bubbly. It's kind of like jam.
And then at that point, we're going to add 1 packet of Certo Liquid Pectin.
Is that a popcorn?
Which is part of a fruit. And some fruits already have high pectin. Those fruits would be cranberries, plums, underripe apples, and so on. In this case, mulberries do not. So we're going to add this to help thicken up the jam mixture. Then we're going to continue to boil this for about 1 minute. At that point, we are ready to catch some musical tunes and jar this jam up. Make sure your jars are sanitized, which you can do by boiling in water for about 5 minutes. Also, you can seal these jars up if you want. However, we will be eating this right away, so no need to do that. Alright, so there we have our jam. So without further ado, let's taste it. That's first taste.
Right on. That's really good. I like that. Very diner style toast and jam comfort type food.
Yeah, I would agree. I think it's absolutely refreshing. The lemon comes through. It's like a perfect summertime jam, in my opinion, just because it's just so refreshing. And it's absolutely delicious. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.